So hi friends and students, so this is the question number 96, right? So question is, A and B are two railway stations 90 km apart. A train leaves A at 9 am heading towards B at a speed of 40 km per hour. Another train leaves B at 10:30 am heading towards A at a speed of 20 km per hour. The trains meet each other at, okay, so train A leaves at 9 am and train B leaves at 10:30 am. What is the time difference? This is 1.5 hours approx, right? So the distance traveled by A before B starts his journey, this is 40 into 1.5 hours. So what is the distance? This is 60 kilometer, right? So the time taken by them to meet each other is time, as both are in the different directions. So time taken by them to meet each other, this will be like 90 minus 60 divided by their speeds, like 40 plus 20. This is 30 divided by 60, which is half or 0.5 hours, right? So so B at 10:30 heading towards A, at the trains meet each other at, so it will be more than 10:30, right? So 10:30 plus 0.5 hours means 30 minutes. So required answer will be like 10:30 am plus 30 minute, it will be 11 am, right?